Now we've got Dolly Rocket against Randi City.
Oh, Missy, you're so fine, you call my man, Missy.
On your case, right up against Missy
Oh, Missy,
Roscoe.
you're so fine, you call my man, Missy.
I'll have a heart attack.
Don't worry, here's the best place to have it. You got any?
Yeah, but my comments are like, I'm dying.
On your case, and Missy Roscoe trying to fight their way through the pack. On your case, up against the Mize at the front on the inside line. On your knocked all the way back by Missy Roscoe.
Both jammers have to really work here to try and get through the block as both get thrown to the inside and outside. Missy Roscoe, great jammer for Randi City.
On your case, the Mize really cycling away.
So Missy Roscoe first scoring pass has already picked up a jammer lap point on their case. On their case now released in a start her scoring pass. Missy Roscoe first pass, 5 points in the bag.
On your case round the back of Ballistic there. Knocks her down to the floor. They're going to recycle back to turn 4. Missy Roscoe.
Has been thrown to the inside and recycled. This time D-Mize doing it to her. Missy Roscoe coming around for yet another scoring pass. And she's got the jammer half point. That's another 5-point pass for Randi City Roller Girls.
On your case, passing the starter, Slam. Slam now out the front, up against the Mize, trying to get away through. Heavy